The obvious question is, what is a dental implant? The dental implant itself is a titanium screw we place underneath the gum into the bone. We then leave that for a period of 3 months in order for it to heal and become part of the patient's bone. At that time, we carry out a small exposure and place a healing cap to shape the gums in that area. The third appointment is taking impressions, where we record the position of the implant in the mouth and send it to our state-of-the-art laboratory in order to make the patient's bespoke crown. The fourth appointment is when we fit the crown, we check the shade, the fit, make sure the patient is happy with the overall crown, and then we secure it into place and the patient can then enjoy having a fixed tooth back in their mouth. So the overall process from placing the dental implant to securing the final crown in place does take about 4.5 months.